Braised Carp with Ginger. A main dish from Hong Kong. Serves 4. You will need 13 ingredients. Step 1. Cut the carp but leave the scales intact. Carp scales have a crispy, chewy texture and are edible. Step 2. Peel and crush the piece of fresh ginger. Remove the roots from the scallions, then cut into halves. Step 3. Heat wok until smoking hot. Add oil. Sauté the ginger and scallions to bring out the aroma. Lightly brown the carp on both sides. Add the wine and 2 cups of water. Add the coarse sea salt, pepper, bring to a boil before adding the dark soy sauce. Sugar. Dark soy sauce will retain its dark color only if it is added when the liquid is boiling. Cover and braise over high heat for 20 minutes. Taste. CountryReports. The carp can take in quite a lot of flavor. Travel. Add more salt to taste.